Welcome to everybody. Just today we are going to discuss on some definitions. Uh, Basically here we have 43 definitions of basic accounting, and the book name is Accounting Principles, 13th edition, Weigand Kimmel Kaisu. From this book we will discuss some glossary review. Actually here we have some definitions. Earlier I told this matter. So first one, accounting definition. What is accounting? Basically the information system that identifies, records and communicates of the economic events of an organization to interested users. This is very simple matter. That means the accounting basically information systems. How? That means this identifies, records and communicates. Which communicates? That means economic events communicates of an organization. That means here we need an organization, and to whom? That means to the interested users. That means the users will use this information. Okay, now we will move next slide. Accounting information system, the system of collecting and processing transaction data and communicating this financial information to decision makers. Those who are decision makers, we will transmit this data uh, to that persons. That means decision makers. Asset. What is asset? Basically, assets is an resources a business own. That means what is business own? We call this is the assets. That means basically resources. Which resources business owns? We call this is the asset. Auditing, the examination of financial statements by a certified public accountant in order to express an opinion as to the fairness of presentations. We call this is the auditing. Now balance sheet. Balance sheet, a financial statement that reports the assets, liabilities and owner's equity at a specific date. That means in a specific date, just we will show our assets, liabilities and owner's equity. And now basic accounting equation. Basic accounting equation, asset equal to liabilities plus owner's equity. Bookkeeping. What is bookkeeping? A part of accounting. That means bookkeeping is a part of accounting process that involves only the recording of economic events. That means here recording only economic events. Convergence, the process of reducing the differences between US GAAP and IFRS. US United States GAAP, generally accepted accounting principles, and IFRS is International Financial Reporting Standards. Corporation. Corporation is business organized as a separate legal entity under state corporation law, having ownership divided into transferable shares of stock. Drawing. What is drawing? Drawing or withdrawal or withdrew means withdrawal of cash or other assets from an unincorporated business for the personal use of the owners. Here we need unincorporated business or not corporated business. Economic entity assumption, an assumption that requires that the activities of the entity be kept separate and distinct from the activities of its owner and all other economic entities. Now ethics, the standards of conduct by which actions are judged as right or wrong, honest or dishonest, fair or not fair. We call this is the ethics. Expanded accounting equation, asset equal to liabilities plus owner's equity. And now this is the basic accounting equations we need to be expanded. So here minus owner's drawings plus revenue minus expenses. Expenses, the cost of assets consumed or services used in the process of generating revenue. We call this is the expenses. Fair value principle, an accounting principle stating that assets and liabilities should be reported at fair value, the price received to sell an asset or settled by a liability. Faithful representation. Numbers and descriptions match which really existed or happened. They are factual. Financial accounting. The field of accounting that provides economic and financial information for investors, creditors, and other external users. Financial Accounting Standard Board, a private organization that establishes generally accepted accounting principle. GAP in United States. Forensic accounting, an area of accounting that uses accounting, auditing, and investigative skills to conduct investigations into theft and fraud. Generally accepted accounting principle. This is the common standards that indicates how to report economic events. Historical cost principle, an accounting principle that states that companies should record assets at their cost. Income statement, a financial statement that presents the revenues and expenses and resulting net income or net loss of a company for a specific period of time. International Accounting Standard Board (IASB), an accounting standard setting body that issues standards adopted by many countries outside of the United States. International Financial Reporting Standards, that means IFRS, international accounting standards set by the International Accounting Standard Board. Investment by owners, the assets an owner puts into the business. Liabilities, creditors claim against total assets. Management consulting, an area of public accounting ranging from development of accounting and computer systems to support services for marketing projects and mergers and acquisition activities. Managerial accounting, the field of accounting that provides internal reports to help users make decisions about their companies. Monetary unit assumption, an assumption stating that companies include in the accounting records only transactions data that can be expressed in terms of money. Net income, the amount of which revenues exceed expenses. We call this is the net income. Net loss, the amount by which expenses exceed revenues. Owner's equity, the ownership claim on total assets. Owner's equity statement, a financial statement that summarizes the changes in owner's equity for a specific period of time. Partnership, a business owned by two or more persons associated as partners. Proprietorship, a business owned by one person. Public accounting, an area of accounting in which the accountant offers expert service to the general public. Relevance, financial information that is capable of making a difference in decision. Revenues, the increases in assets or decreases in liabilities resulting from the sale of goods or the performance of service in the normal course of business. Sarbanes-Oxley Act (SOX), law passed by Congress intended to reduce unethical corporate behavior. Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC), a government agency that oversees U.S. financial markets and accounting standard setting bodies. Statement of cash flow, a financial statement that summarizes information about the cash inflow receipts and cash outflows payments for a specific period of time. Taxation, an area of public accounting involving tax advice, tax planning, preparing tax returns, and representing clients before governmental agencies. Transactions, the economic events of a business that are recorded by accountants. Thank you so much for joining with us.